Today I'm going to show you how to use a miter saw. This is my Hitachi miter saw. I got it for Mother's Day about 6 years ago and I love it. It's one of my favorite tools. A miter saw always comes locked position so that the blade is not exposed. See, I'm trying to pull it up and I can't. The way you unlock it is you push down and this little knob here you pull out and then it releases and you can open it. And you can see there's a cover for the blade that as you push down, the blade becomes exposed. That's just a safety cover. Okay, next part you need to know about is how to cut different angles. So in order to slide to make different angles, you push this lever down and you pull. And on the side here, you'll have the center is 0. There's 15 and 35 and 45 written on there. And let's say I want to make a 45-degree angle. I can slide it over to the 45 and it locks there. Okay, before you start using a miter saw, it's very important that you first use the manual. This is just a supplementation to reading the manual. But I'm a visual learner, so that's why I like to do these tutorials. Here's a piece of wood that I'm going to cut in a 45-degree angle. I've already moved it so that this line right here, there's a red line and it fell on the 45 degrees. So I know it's going to be 45 degrees. So right here is the button that you will push to make the blade start spinning. It's also important to know that this doesn't have an on-off switch, so as soon as you plug it in, it is ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to cut this piece of wood on a 45-degree angle. Basically all I did was I held the button in as I slowly pulled the top down. I cut, then I released the button and came up and you have your angle. And you can see how straight the miter saw cut this angle. Miter saws are so awesome for cutting straight lines. If you're looking for a tool to make curves, you can check out my jigsaw tutorial. This is so good for straight lines and it's so easy, just pulling down. So fast. I used to use just a handsaw to do this and it took forever and didn't create such a beautiful result. So I'm so happy with this miter saw. It's probably one of my favorite tools. Now if you're wondering where all this dust is going, back here there is a dust collector, and the way you take it off to empty it is you pinch these, and you can see I recently cleaned it out, so there's not much in there. That's how you empty the dust. And then to close it up, you just pull this back down. You find this button and push it in, and it's in locked position. So that's how easy it is to use a miter saw.